I've already installed Hotfix, like I said. And it's a 3-step process to get authorized with GitHub to allow them to make changes to your repositories. The first step is redirecting to GitHub, and we do that just by clicking authorize. And you can see here it shows my client ID and the URL, and I just click on something. Well, I was already logged in, so it went ahead and logged me in. But if you're not logged in, which I'll go ahead and show you, this makes it easy. Alright, so to log in, it's going to ask you for your username, password, pretty standard stuff. Alright, well, after this, GitHub is going to redirect back to my server with an access token. To authorize it, you have to take that access token and send a new post request to GitHub to get an auth token. And that auth token is what allows you to interact with the user's repositories. So go ahead and sign in. There's the redirect back to my extension. And then, like I said, it's a work in progress, so that did not work. But it will this time. Alright, so now we're authorized with GitHub. You can see my username here, and this is a list of all my repositories. The hidden options is the blog, so we'll go ahead and click on that. And it's going to pull up all the branches I have on GitHub. So now let's make a change. So we'll go back to our elements panel here. And let's change the color of the site title. Alright, so right now we're going to change the site title to be a different color. Let's make it blue. Okay. Now, oh, sorry about that. Give me just a second. I have a PC, so working on a Mac is a little longer. No, I want a Mac. I'm looking to buy a Mac, but you can see here, MacBook Pro or bust. Hoping to get a Mac. Give me just a minute here. Alright, select the element. Okay. So now it should be blue. Now it's blue. And the problem I had when I was doing web development is I would make a change on DevTools, and then I'd have to go to my server or my local host and manually change those files. So now, essentially what we can do, let me get our window back here, is go to Hotfix, and it's got the list of files that we've changed. So it's got our domain, it's got the actual file name, and it's got the full path. And that full path is what we're going to commit to GitHub. So we'll enter a commit message. Alright, and we will commit. Hopefully get a nice green check mark. Maybe. Maybe not. There we go. Check mark. Okay. So now let's go to GitHub. And we should already be logged in. Logged in. Let's go to our repository here. How do you scroll?
Oh, double fingers.
I'm here. Okay. We're working on it.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. See, I'm learning something new. Alright, so let's go to our commits. And you can see the commit we just made, changing the text color. But now the cool part is, like, it's on GitHub, but I want it on my website. So what you can do is go to your settings and service hooks. And you can set up a post receive hook, like in this webhook URL. It will automatically send a post request to your server whenever you push to GitHub. So I've got a simple file set up on my server that when that post request comes through, it automatically pulls the latest commit from GitHub. And theoretically, I can refresh this and it'll still be blue. It worked. Yesterday it did not. But the cool part is that anywhere I go on any computer, as long as I trust the internet connection, I can edit my projects. It's only your public files, your CSS, your JavaScript, but Right now I work at 5 different schools, and so installing anything local on 5 different computers is not a good idea. But occasionally I'll get to my school, and some changes I made last night just destroyed my blog. And I'll make a quick hotfix, and I can do it now. So that's about it.